We're given some information about an ellipse. We're told that the major axis length is 6, and then the minor axis is y. Sorry, the major axis is the length of 6 on the y-axis, or it also tells us the major axis is the y-axis, and then it gives me the minor axis is 4. Okay, so if the major axis is a length of 6, then that means from center it's going to be plus or minus 3. Okay, the vertices are going to be at plus or minus 3. And the minor axis being 4, a length of 4, means that the co-vertices are going to be at plus or minus 2. Okay, so in other words, if you just draw a basic sketch, keeping it at 0, 0, if the length is 6,